Rasha survive, will the donor get punished?
No, I don't think so. It was not his intention, and it was not his intention. Like, and this Rasha would survive from any blood. But if it's possible to donate to Jewish hospital or something, right, or the Jewish blood bank, it would be, of course, much better. Right, so Jews in Israel, in here is in Monsey, I think also, they have Jewish Shomer Shabbos blood bank. You have to be a member, you have to pay like annual fee, and they would, if in the case of the need, they would deliver blood for you.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Definitely leads me to a question about blood and a wicked person. Many years ago, this person that used to be my friend, he got stabbed. He lost a lot of blood, a lot of blood, up until the point that he was like near dying. So he got a lot of transfusions, and sometime after, when he got better, miraculously, his personality changed a lot. He got married and everything, so I was wondering, is this because of the ruach that was in his blood, and this kind of had like an impact on him, this transfusion?
I think it could be a combination of the factors. First, as you said, the new blood from different people, maybe also help, and plus, I guess the Teshuvah. Like if a person nearly died, he evaluated his life. Also helps. And for some people, they need only shock, only some like near-death experience, or like somebody died in his family, like some shocks. Other people just read books, and they see and they hear the stories and see HaShem is real, and he's not joking, and they don't need like a personal drama or trauma like to deal with. Okay, HaShem, I'm in. Basically, I mean, I don't need this test. I don't need anyone like you to push me. I mean, that's it. So you can do it both ways. So I think it was like a Teshuvah plus, new blood for sure. So it was an extensive study about the blood. I read once that blood actually affect a person, was from a white person to the black person, and so suddenly he started liking different music he never heard before. Very interesting, right? So personality is in blood, and blood goes to the brain, right? To the brain, and affects the brain for sure. So people who, for example, Jews who eat not kosher, they cannot think, they cannot learn Torah, because why? The mind is tameh, impure. He's very nice person, but he like mind is blocked, cannot concentrate. He's fallen asleep every 3 seconds. Understand? Even though he slept for 10 hours. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So I'm not sure if I heard a few years ago. I'm not 100% sure if it was Rabbi Arush that explained that the sins or the misdeeds of the person, not necessarily not eating kosher, but the deeds or the sins themselves, get his blood contaminated. I know this is a fact.
I mean, it's blood is one part of the soul, and nefesh, I think, in the blood. You understand? So that's of course. All the sins contaminate the soul, and it's part of the soul for sure.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Next question. Does blood affect the body in a physical nature as well? For instance, there is a tribe in Kenya that regularly drinks ox blood and milk in a blend. they are known for their extraordinary height. It's doubtful that the calcium in the milk is the main contributor to their uniquely tall stature. Does the Torah say anything about blood affecting the body physically?
Blood, meaning when drinking blood? Did they get it correctly or no?
Yeah, the question was, our friend gave the example of people that drink blood, but I don't know if he's speaking about blood in general terms.
I guess let's start from drinking blood, because I just go by this example. So first of all, we must understand what is milk, right? So milk is actually what body converts blood into the milk. Understand? Same with women, same with animals. Yeah, understand? So when they mix this, I don't know, they crazy people. It says clearly that we're not allowed to drink blood, right? Jews not allowed to drink blood. For other people, I think that there is no problem for them to drink blood. Maybe not recommended, but I don't think it's one of the prohibitions for Bnei Noach. I don't think so. Right? Is it good for them that they're told? Does it help them? How? Right? Do they read book? Do they know that the purpose of life, or they just told that they can reach to bananas? I don't know.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
And by the way, our friend clarified and he said yes, meaning ox blood in this case. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So the drinking. Yeah. So of course it our food, right, affect our nature, but other people also drink blood. Maybe not regularly, but I don't think it has any relation with height, but it's just my assumption, because I know that other people also drink blood.